Welcome to Koko's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Boingy's Cooking Day.
欢迎来到扣扣的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做《笨笨的料理日》。
Are you ready? Let's begin. Morning light danced through the tall trees.
Dewdrops shone on every single leaf.
Koko heard a sound behind the bushes.
She tiptoed closer, very carefully.
It was Boingy, looking up at the sky.
What do you see up there? Asked Koko.
Boingy pointed with a tiny hand.
Come look with me, said Boingy.
The other animals were playing together.
Boingy stood far away, watching them.
He wished he could join the fun.
But what if they do not want me?
Koko walked over to Boingy.
Hey! Come play with us, said Koko.
Boingy hesitated for a moment.
Are you sure? Asked Boingy softly.
They walked side by side on the path.
Koko told Boingy a funny story.
Boingy laughed for the first time today.
See? Things are getting better, said Koko.
The sun peeked through the clouds.
The sun came out just for us, said Boingy.
Koko and Boingy kept walking together.
They counted the flowers on the path.
1, 2, 3, 4, counted Boingy.
5, 6, 7, added Koko, laughing.
The forest felt warmer with a friend. A gentle rain began to fall.
Koko found a big leaf to share.
They huddled together under it.
Rain makes everything grow, said Koko.
Boingy laughed at a raindrop on his nose.
Even us? Asked Boingy. Even us.
Sunlight found its way through the trees.
It fell gently on both their faces.
I feel something different now, said Boingy.
That is called hope, said Koko softly.
Everything was better now.
Boingy smiled the biggest smile.
I could not have done this alone.
Koko gave Boingy a gentle pat.
We make a great team, Koko said.
Boingy nodded, eyes shining bright.
The two friends sat side by side.
The stars were starting to come out.
It was a perfect end to the day. A cool breeze whispered through the leaves.
It carried the smell of flowers and rain.
Koko leaned against the big oak tree.
Boingy sat close beside her.
No place felt safer than right here. Koko looked at Boingy one more time.
You never know what you like until you try.
Boingy nodded slowly. It was true.
Some lessons you feel deep in your heart.
The forest wrapped them in gentle quiet. Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, mix.
In the forest, Boingy felt mix.
Word 2, cook.
Boingy was cook in the big forest.
Word 3, yummy.
Koko and Boingy found something yummy. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
You never know what you like until you try.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.